Hello dear aspirant, in this video we are going to discuss daily 5 multiple choice questions and answers. You can follow my YouTube channel for current affairs. First question, NOAA Ocean Exploration researchers have found 1600 meter mount in which ocean? A. Indian Ocean, B. Arabic Ocean, C. Pacific Ocean, D. Southern Ocean. Answer is C. Pacific Ocean. Second question, which space organization has announced its plan to launch its first X-ray polarimeter satellite? Option A, ISRO, B, NASA, C, JAXA, D, ESA. Answer is A, ISRO. Third question, which technology company introduced a new AI model named Gemini? Option A, Microsoft, B, Google, C, Samsung, D, Apple. Answer is B, Google. Fourth question, mefenamic acid tablet which was seen in the news is used as A, antibiotic, B, painkiller, C, antiseptic, D, immunosuppressant. Correct answer is B, painkiller. Fifth question, who has been recently awarded with the 2023 Leif Erikson Lunar Prize? A, ISRO, B, NASA, C, JAXA, D, Roscosmos.